perfect gas equation. Perfect gas equation. Perfect gas equation. Perfect gas equation. Write down what is perfect gas. What is a perfect gas? Or what is an ideal gas? What is a perfect gas? Or what is an ideal gas? Write down. A perfect or ideal gas is one. A perfect or ideal gas is one whose molecules are free, whose molecules are free from intermolecular attraction, whose molecules are free from intermolecular attraction and obey the gas laws obey the gas laws at all values of temperature and pressure, at all values of temperature and pressure. Consider 1 mole of a perfect gas. Consider 1 mole of a perfect gas and let P1 B1 and let P1, V1 and T1 are the initial values of the perfect gas in a container. So, bete, here is the container, okay? Here is the container. It contains 1 mole of a perfect gas and the pressure, volume and temperature of the gas inside the water. This container is P1, V1 and T1. Okay, so this is step 1. Now, by applying Boyle's law on this gas, Boyle's law, what is Boyle's law? Temperature is constant. Temperature remaining constant. So इसका जो temperature है T1 उसको हम constant रखेंगे. Okay, और फिर we know that इसका pressure और volume जो होंगे they will change. Okay, and when Boyle's law is applied or temperature of the gas is made constant, then its pressure is changing. Let from P1 to P2. Volume is changed from let V1 to V dash, not V to V dash, and temperature remains constant. और temperature इसका कितना रह गया T1. Okay, temperature remain constant, or we have applied Boyle's law on this perfect gas. Okay, now in this case, when the pressure is changed, volume is changed, and temperature remains constant. Now let us apply Charles' law. Let us apply Charles' law, and in Charles' law, pressure remains constant. So therefore, when we apply Charles' law, then what happens? Charles' law or pressure remains constant. Then what happened to it? Yes, beta ji. Pressure remains constant. So pressure तो रह गया P2 का P2 ही. Volume जो हो गया that changes. Let it now changes to V2, and temperature also changes. Let it changes to T2. Okay. Okay, beta ji. Volume change from B dash to B2, and temperature also changes from T1 to T2. But what happens? Yes, pressure that remains constant. But pressure that remains constant. So therefore, from these two we have चार्ल्स लॉ बेटे हमने अप्लाई किया, सो देयरफॉर वी हैव v डैश अपॉन t1 इज इक्वल टू v2 अपॉन t2, सॉरी v2 अपॉन t2 और v dash is equal to v2 into t1 upon t2. okay, putting the value, okay, और यहाँ से कितना आ जाएगा बेटे हमारे पास, बोलो शाबाश, यहाँ से कितना आएगा हमारे पास, we know, let this equation number 1, we know p1 v1 is equal to p2 v dash, p1 v1 is equal to p2 v dash. So therefore, putting the value of v dash here, we get p1 v1 is equal to p2 as it is, and the value of v dash, ये जो है बेटे यहाँ पे, ठीक है, वैल्यू ऑफ v dash कितनी है यहाँ पे, that is equal to, बोलो शाबाश, v2 into t1 upon t2. okay, और rearranging we get P1 B1 it remains as it is, और बेटे जो T1 है इसको मैं नीचे ले आऊंगा यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में, तो यहाँ से T1 गया, ओके, और इधर बच गया आपके पास क्या, P2 B2 डिवाइडेड बाई T2, ओके, P2 B2 डिवाइडेड बाई T2, और वी कैन से PV अपॉन T, ओके, इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट, और PV is equal to RT, PV is equal to RT की हमने हमने लिया है 1 मोल है ना, ओके, 1 मोल ऑफ गैस, and if we, this is called perfect gasification for 1 mole, and PV is equal to mu RT, this is the perfect gasification for mu mole of a gas, this is the perfect gasification for mu mole of a gas. Let, write down, let capital M is the molecular weight, let capital M is the molecular weight, let capital M is the molecular weight, and if V is the volume of, and if V is the volume of 1 gram of the gas, 1 gram of the gas, then PV is equal to mu into R upon molecular weight into T. Okay, this is for 1 gram. So therefore, we get PV is equal to mu into small r into capital T, where small r is equal to capital R upon capital M. Okay, so this is the perfect gasification. And what is a perfect gas? Perfect gas is nothing but it is a gas whose molecules does not interact with each other, or they have no interactions with each other, and that gas always obey all the gas laws at all the values of temperature and pressure. And yesterday we have seen that Boyle's law देखा, Charles law देखा, and Gill-Sachs law देखा, ठीक है, ईच एंड एवरी टेम्परेचर के ऊपर कोई भी लॉ जो है ठीक है वो वैलिड नहीं होता किसी भी गैस के लिए, इट मींस देयर इज नो परफेक्ट गैस, देयर इज नो परफेक्ट गैस और एन आइडियल गैस, ओके, ओके, राइट डाउन बेटा, राइट डाउन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 1 mole of a gas, 1 mole of a gas contains, 1 mole of a gas contains 22.4 liter, 22.4 liter of gas at standard temperature and pressure, STP, at standard temperature and pressure, 22.4 liters. क्या लिखा आपने बेटे? Yes, molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of any ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure so that it is 22.4 liters. Take capital R is equal to capital R is equal to 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Yes, we take given 1 mole already दिया है ना, so given mu is equal to 1 mole, mu is equal to 1 mole. R is given how much? 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay, and capital T is given standard temperature is equal to 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin, and we know 1 atm pressure जो होता है that is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. 1 atm is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. We know PV is equal to mu RT, or V is equal to mu into RT upon P, or it is equal to 1, mu की value 1 into 8.31 into temperature standard that is 273 divided by pressure P, and it is equal to 1 atmospheric is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 is equal to 22.4 liters. Is equal to 22.4 liters. Yes, write down. Next we take estimate the total number of air molecules. Estimate the total number of air molecules in a room of capacity 25.0 cubic meter cube at temperature of 273 27 degrees Celsius, at temperature of 27 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure and 1 atmospheric pressure, given Boltzmann constant small k is equal to Boltzmann constant small k is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Small k is equal to how much? Small k is equal to how much? 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 27 joule 23 joule per Kelvin. Okay. Yes, write down given capital V is equal to how much is given? 25 meter cube. 1 atm pressure is equal to what? 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Okay, and temperature is given how much? Temperature is 27 degrees Celsius is equal to 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin is equal to 203 Kelvin. Okay, we know PV is equal to mu RT. We know PV is equal to mu RT. Okay, if mu is equal to 1, if mu is equal to 1, then the value of R is taken. R is equal to small n into Boltzmann constant. ये बेटा नया फॉर्मूला ओके, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में हम इसको ड्राइव भी करेंगे ओके। कैपिटल R is equal to n k, where n is what? Yes, where n is this gas contains okay number of molecules and k is Boltzmann constant. So therefore ये जो इक्वेशन है हमारे पास बेटे आ जाएगी what PV is equal to NKT. Therefore n is equal to PV upon KT is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5. Volume is given 25 meter cube divided by value of K is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23, and temperature is given 300. Okay, so therefore write down its value is equal to क्या आ जाएगा बेटा आपके पास 6.1 into 10 raised to power 26. Okay, so therefore the number of molecules in that room of capacity 25 cubic meter at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius or 300 Kelvin at 1 atmosphere pressure is 6.1 into 10 raised to power 26. Okay, write down the universal gas constant signifies the universal gas constant signifies the work done by or on बेटे ब्रैकेट में लिखो, या तो गैस के द्वारा या गैस के ऊपर ओके। if the gas expands then the work done by the gas, or if the gas contracts okay then the work done is on the gas okay। the universal gas constant signifies that it signified the work done by the gas or on the gas per mole per Kelvin, per mole per Kelvin. We know PV is equal to mu RT or R is equal to PV upon mu T। प्रेशर का यूनिट क्या हो गया बेटे? न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर। वॉल्यूम का क्या हो गया बेटा जी? मीटर क्यूब। मोल का क्या हो गया बेटे? मोल। और टेम्परेचर का हो गया केल्विन ओके। सो देयरफॉर इसका जो यूनिट आ गया माइनस और यहाँ पे 1 बन गया ओके। तो ये आ गया न्यूटन मीटर पर मोल पर केल्विन। और न्यूटन मीटर क्या होता है? फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट। ये क्या हो गया? वर्क डन दैट इज इक्वल टू जूल पर मोल पर केल्विन। जूल पर मोल पर केल्विन। जूल पर मोल per Kelvin. Yes. What is the numerical value of capital R, or find the numerical value of capital R? Find the numerical value of capital R. We know capital R is equal to pressure beटे 1 atmospheric is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5. And if we take 1 mole of the gas, then volume is equal to 22.4 liter divided by mu into T। mu की जगह 1 आएगा बेटे, and temperature आएगा कितना बेटे? बोलो शाबाश। yes, temperature कितना आएगा? स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर 273.15 होता है, लेकिन हम इसको 273 ले लेते हैं ओके। तो therefore its value is equal to 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin okay in SI unit. This is the SI unit. Joule per mole per Kelvin is the SI unit and its value in SI units is equal to what? 8.31 okay ओके। और इसको बेटे अगर हम सीजीएस में करना हो, जॉल की जगह कैलोरी में करना हो, तो इसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारे पास कितना? जूल को अगर कैलोरी में कन्वर्ट करें तो आप डिवाइड करेंगे इसको 4.2 से ना, बिकॉज 1 कैलोरी इज इक्वल टू 4.2 जूल, so therefore it is equal to 8.31 divided by 4.2 calorie per mole per Kelvin. Okay, or it is equal to 1.98 calorie per mole per Kelvin. 9.8 per mole per Kelvin. Yesterday, write down. Universal gas constant leads to the conformation of leads to the conformation of Avogadro's hypothesis. Avogadro's hypothesis, that is equal volume of all the gases, equal volumes of all the gases under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, contains equal number of molecules, contains equal number of molecules, contains equal number of molecules. Yesterday, write down numerical. A gas is contained and initially at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, and initially at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, and certain temperature capital P1, and certain temperature capital P1, certain pressure P1. If the gas is heated to a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, then Y what factor does the pressure change? Then Y what factor does the pressure change? Yesterday given initial temperature there आपको 21, write down T1 is equal to, yes, T1 is equal to 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस और ये बन जाएगा आपका 293 केल्विन. कितना बन जाएगा? यस, T1 is equal to 293 Kelvin and final temperature T2 is 60. तो आ जाएगा बेटा आपके पास कितना फिर? 333 Kelvin. Okay. Initial pressure is given what? P1. ये तो दिया है आपको, P1 is equal to P1 and let the final pressure is P2. And let the final pressure is what? P2. Then according to Pascal's pressure law, then according to pressure law or Gill-Sachs law, we have P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2, T2 upon T2, or P2 is equal to P1 into T1 upon T2. Okay, put the values. So therefore it is equal to 333 divided by 293 into P1, or it is equal to 1.41 P1. Therefore, P2 is equal to 1.41 P1. Yes, beta ji, write down chapter 2. Chapter 2, kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases.